Today's problem is divisible by 13, difficulty medium. Given a number represented by a string, s, which may be very large, how large can it be? Size of the string would be between 1 and 10 to the 5th, 100,000. So yeah, 100,000 digits, that's pretty big. Check whether it is divisible by 13 or not. Okay, here's an example here. This is not close to 100,000 digits, but it is divisible by 13. This number here, 27, obviously is not divisible by 13. Time complexity O of n and topic tags mathematical. I can tell you some ways not to do this, by the way. Because we're doing it in Java, Java has a BigInteger class, and the BigInteger class will handle integers of arbitrary size. So the obvious way to do it then would be to just take this big string, put it into a BigInteger class, and mod it by 13. And that times out. So then I started looking at divisibility checks for 13. I tried a couple of them on the BigInteger class, although if just modding the BigInteger doesn't work, doing some extra manipulation and then modding it probably isn't going to work. I mean, there's probably going to time out as well. But really, I tried one, it timed out. I tried a second one, and it worked. And so then I went to record it, and it timed out. And I tried it again, and it timed out again. And at that point, I gave up on the BigInteger and started looking at other ways to do a divisibility check. I mean, the thing with the BigInteger is, in exchange for, a great deal of convenience, like being able to handle 100,000 digit integers without any extra work. Without any extra work, without having to write your own routines to do that. The trade-off is it's slow. So here's the way that we're going to do it. You can see the code here, and let's use. Let me get the pen here, and let's use this first number here as an example, and we're just going to take it one digit at a time and compute the remainder mod 13 as it says here. Remainder originally is 0. We'll take 0 times 10 plus the first character, and we're starting from the left. So the first character is 2. Mod 13 is 2. Okay? Multiply that times 10, add the 9 onto the end of it. All right. What is the remainder? If you mod that by 13, 13 times 2 is 26, so you have 3. Okay, so we have 3, and then we'll add another digit. What is the next digit? 1, right? Mod that by 13, it's 26, so the remainder would be 5. What's the next number? Also a 1. All right, 13 times 3 is 39. So the remainder is going to be 12. Remainder mod 13. All right, add the next digit. The next digit is a 2. What is 9 times 13? It's 90 plus 27. It's 100 and... Wait. 90 plus 27 is 117. Okay, so the remainder is going to be 5. All right, add the next digit. It's an 8. What's the closest we can get to that with a multiple of 13? 4 times 13 is 52, so that would give us a remainder of 6. And then add the last digit, 5, and if we mod that by 13, it's 0. That is divisible by 13. So that number is divisible by 13. And that's what we're going to do. And it's a lot more work than we were doing with the big integer, but the big integer, it just for something like this, I don't know, 100,000 digits is just it seems to be the tipping point. I think you can get close to it because, like I said, I did get the big integer. So I did get a big integer solution to work once, and then after that it didn't work anymore. I don't like the way that looks. Let's see, we've got this. Actually, this should go over here. Okay, so let's let's try and run this. See that's really fast. Doing it that way. Okay, so what did we learn? Java, big integer class. If you're getting up to numbers of where the number of digits is like 10 to the 5th, you're going to have a problem with this sort of programming challenge in terms of hitting the time limit. But this seems to be a very good divisibility by 13 check just with integers, and it's it's fast. So that's it. So please like the video. You can subscribe and get problems of the day in your inbox every weekday, and we'll see you next time.